Let's do this. Oh, crap, Nyla. Unit Jan, what's the order? Fish fillet.
It was hot. Wow.
And spicy tuna.
Holy shit.
Alright.
Really hot.
What are you doing? Are you okay? Are you okay?
What did you do to it? Oh
It's
my
one of
God,
the-
it's like burn.
Oh, it's like one of the hottest hot sauce ever.
What? Oh my God, Jesse!
Are you-
It's getting worse! What
Well-
is it?
Well, remember when you... You're turning red.
No!
Maybe you should drink some milk. Maybe you should drink some... Here.
Oh my God, Jesse! Holy f.
Oh my God, I didn't think it was that bad. But you did put sand in the sandwich.
Whoa! It's getting like worse and worse.
You were... What's it feel like? What does it feel like?
You hot. It wasn't that hot in the beginning.
Are you okay?
What am I gonna do?
I feel so bad. Take this off. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. You are so red. Oh my God. Are you okay? Are you? Oh my God. I feel so bad right now. I didn't know if it was that bad.
Oh my God.
How much did you eat?
I don't know. It's crazy.
You should have never did that to me.
Oh my God.
I've been planning that for.
Where's it gonna go away? It's so hot. What can I do?
You want to take a shower? What are you doing? Not bread? No.
Is that gonna be better?
Did you swallow it? Is it
Yeah. What should I do?
an ice cube?
I don't know. What should I do?
You shouldn't give me sand sandwiches. That's what you
Oh
should
my
do.
God.
I try some of that. Oh, babe, I feel so bad.
Woo.
It's funny because you keep going woo.
It's hot.
Oh my God, I didn't know if I should do that. You got it on your lips?
You know what? You're a f***ing asshole. Oh, I hate chocolate.
But you gave me 2-year-old
I
burgers,
deserve
though.
it. I deserve it. But you're f***ing crazy. What was it?
It's
That
the
was-
stuff called
that was
3M
fun.
Reserve.
I f***ing...
And when I had to wear gloves.
Yeah. Look, it f***ing burns, okay? What do you want me to say? It f***ing burns.
Say you're sorry.
This?
Yeah.
Say sorry. This is crazy. The f***ing shit we do to each other.